Hey guys, not sure if you've seen this month's issue of RC Car Action, but the Traxxas TRX4 Bronco is in there in the Reader's Rides. Let me take a quick look right here, peel this page back, and here it is. The Traxxas TRX4 Bronco right there. So I'm actually pretty proud of that. Getting your RC in a magazine is a pretty cool thing to see. So hopefully it won't be the last time I put one of my vehicles in the magazine. I've got quite a few. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. And hopefully you watch my future videos. Do that whole like and subscribe thing that I see everybody else begging about. So if you want to get that, I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys. Have a good one.